Guidelines or determining adequate sampling. The size of a sampling is actually determined, determined before the conduct of any study. There are no fixed rules in determining the size of some sample needed. However, there are broad guidelines that should be observed in determining the size of sampling. No, size of simple. Among these guidelines are number one: when the universe or population is more or less homogeneous, and only the typical, normal, or average is desired to be known. A small sample is enough. However, if difference are desires to be known, a larger sample is needed. So kasagaran nila ani na size diri sa number one. Ang explanation ng ani kung ang usa ka tawo na homogeneous or only typical, normal, or average try na ibaw-an sa small enough small small sample is enough. Pero may usa na desire po na larger is needed jud na kailangan. Number two, when the population is more or less heterogeneous, and only the typical, normal, or average is desired to known, larger sample is needed. However, if only there's difference are desired to be known, a small sample is sufficient. So andre apod sa number 2, heterogeneous na need sila og larger, pero ang uban specification specification ra siya na desire ang naibaw ang naibaw-an. Number 3, the size of simple varies inversely as the size of the population. A larger proportion is required of a small population, and small proportion may do for a big population. For a population of 5,000, a simple of 10% may do, but for a population of 500, a proportion of 30% may be required. Sa number 3, nag-require sila alang a small proportion may do for a bigger population. Ang population jud kailangan jud og 5,000. Nya ang sample is 10% lang. Pero need sila og 500 na proportion. Nya 30% ang kailangan gi-required. Andre asa kan kani. Number 4, a greater accuracy and reliability of result. A greater sample is desirable. So andre sa number 4, kailangan jud greater or accurate jud ka kailangan diri nga makabaw ka sa mabaw-an ang result ani sa greater na sample. Number 5, in biological and chemical experiment, such as testing the effects of drugs and other substances, the use of a few persons is more desirable to determine the reaction of humans to such drugs and other substance being tested. So ang kanid diri as number 5, mga chemical na sila sa experiment na kailangan siya i-test ang mga droga o mga uban chemical. Number 6, subject. When the subjects sample are likely to destroy during the experiment, it is more feasible to use non-humans such as animal, especially rats. So, ang kanidriya, mga sample na gipang-experiment na nila is used as non-humans as di daw kailangan daw na plus thousand or especially mga animals na para sa mga ilaga, especially sa ilaga. Step in computing the size of sample. Mo na sa mga sample ron ay pa-explain ron. The steps in computing the size of a sample are follows. 1. Determine the size of the study population. This is easily determined from the scope and delimitation of the study. 2. Decide on the margin of error. As much as possible, the margin of error should not be higher than 5%, probably 3% is an ideal or 1. Is ideal in 1. Di siya mo taas sa 5%. Mga kailangan dyan na siya or 3% lang siya kutob siya. Number 3, use the formula in this method. Muna say formula n is equals n. Ang n na small letter is equals to the size of the sample. While yung karing n na big letter, the size of the population. Kaning e mo na the margin of error. Number 4. If the sampling is multi-stage or if the population is stratified, compute the sample proportion percent by dividing the result in step number 3 by the population. So ang sa number 4, kailangan naka multi-stage siya tapos naka population stratified sa mag-compute ka sa proportion of percent by dividing the result in step number 3. Kailangan po siya i-divide siya. Number 5, multiplying the number of sampling units in each final sampling stream by the rate percent to find the sample from each final sampling stratum. So, pag umani mo nagkuhan, divide, multiply na mo sa sampling kada unit para makuha ang percent sa sample. 6. Adding the samples from all the final sampling strata to find the total of sample. Mo na ang example. Suppose the investigation of the teaching of science in the sciences 1,406 handling chemical science and 992 teacher handling physical science. A total of 4,641 teachers. The sampling produced follows. Step 1, the population is 4,641. So, ganiha, nag-ingong ko ganiha na ang N is big letter N, the size of population of the size of population kani mo na siya kani dali kani. Tapos step 2, the margin of error to be used botong ganiha na akong giingon mo na E is 3%. So kung ang margin of error di daw kailangan batason, kailangan dyan 3% dito siya. So gibutan na to diya sa ubos na sa diya is 303. Step 3, use the formula. Mo to ang formula na to ganiha. Kani mo na say formula. Ano diri ah? Kani mo na say formula nato. So ang inani nila gibutan ang n is equals to 4,641 tapos ang 1 is plus 1 po dun i-plus po dun nimo 4,641 times 0.3 na equals din mo na siya ang resulta 1 plus 46041 then mo na siya if n is equals to 4,641 then 1 plus 4,641 times 3 over 2. So 41 4,641 plus 1 plus 1 1 plus 4,641 then times 0.009 then gina-convert siya 4,641 tapos 1 is added to plus 5 mo na siya ang result. I-divide lang nimo siya. Ang 4,641 divided by 5.176 nya ang na-result is 896.4,000 4,825. This may be rounded to 900 for convenience. This is the sample. So mo na siya ang answer sa sample. Mga around 900 dyan na siya kailangan pataas. Step 4. The teacher are grouped into 3 categories. According to the branch of science they are handling. So we use stratified sampling. Sample proportion percent equals n. Ano siya? Tapos na ang na-result na to is 900 man to pataas. Yan 900 siya. Ano siya? 900 by 4,541 is equals to 0.1939. So rounded sa percentage is 1,939 maybe rounded of 20 or 20% na siya for convenience of computations. Step 5 and step 6 and 6 teacher handling biological science, chemical science number 2,243 percent total 20 sample 449 number in chemical science 1,406 percent 20 sample 281 physical science number 4,641 percent 20 and 198 in total tanan mo na sila 4,641 and 928. The total sample is 928 jud siya ang total na samples sa physical science, biological science o chemical science mo na siya tanan.